In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate total in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself typing long, complicated formulas just to get a total, this tip is going to save you time. There's a simple shortcut built right into Google Sheets that gets your total in about a second, and you don't have to remember any long syntax to use it. Start by clicking the empty cell directly below your list of numbers. This is where your total will appear. Keeping the total right under your data makes it easy to read and keeps your sheet tidy. Now look up to the top toolbar and find the Functions button. It looks like the Greek letter sigma. Click it, then choose Sum from the drop-down. This is faster and cleaner than manually typing the formula yourself. As soon as you choose Sum, you'll see the start of a formula appear, and in many cases, Google Sheets will automatically guess the range you want to total. If your numbers are stacked in a single column, it often highlights them for you. When the suggestion is correct, you can simply press Enter to confirm. That's all it takes. If Sheets doesn't guess the range, or if the suggestion isn't quite right, just select the numbers you want included. Click and drag to highlight the cells in your list. You'll see the range update inside the parentheses as you drag. Make sure you're only selecting the numeric cells you want and that you're not including any headers or blank labels above your list. If the closing parenthesis doesn't appear automatically, type it yourself, then press Enter. Your overall total appears instantly in the cell you selected. You'll notice the formula in the formula bar, something like SUM followed by your range. The best part is that this total stays live. If you update any of the numbers in your list, the total recalculates automatically, so you always have the most current result without doing anything extra. A quick tip for accuracy. Keep your list clean by avoiding stray text or symbols in the same column as your numbers. That helps Sheets recognize your range correctly and improves the auto-suggest feature. And if you ever need to check what's included, click the total cell. The highlighted range will show you exactly which cells are being summed. That's the easiest way to get a total every time. Simple, fast, and reliable. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.